Hey world, what's going on? Data Recovery Guru here. So we've been working on a hard drive here for a customer who brought in several devices, and this was one of their devices. It's one of those old metallic Lacie external enclosures with this Seagate 3 terabyte hard disk drive inside. This is the enclosure here. You know, it's the old school metallic kind of Lacie external. So we removed the drive from inside the enclosure and we tested it, and the drive is actually healthy. There's no issues with it. So in order to facilitate the most cost-effective solution for the customer, what we're going to do is actually take the drive and put it into another brand new external drive. And actually this is what I wanted to do the video about. The external enclosure that we got for the customer is actually this enclosure here. It's a USB 3.0. It's really nice. What we really like is that it has a fan on it. See, this is the fan here. Let me show you what it looks like. This is the enclosure with the drive inside. So here's the fan, and here's the button. So I'm gonna turn the fan on now, and you can control how fast the fan is going to run. That's pretty cool, you know. So you can cool off if you are using it for anything intensive, you know, video editing and stuff like that. So the brand is NexStar. We think that it's a really cool enclosure, external drive enclosure, and it connects over USB to our Mac here. And here's the drive. As you can see, since it came out of the Lacie enclosure, it's gonna be named Lacie in terms of the logical name that the drive had. But anyways, so this was you know, a very cost-effective solution. We swapped the drive into this enclosure. Customer can now access it. It's good to go. It's quality and quick and fast, you know, to get this done for the customer. So highly recommend it. It's really cool. If you have any old hard drives that you can no longer access, maybe the power adapter is broken, or maybe the control board here is damaged and the drive no longer spin or is recognized by the computer when you connect it, give us a call. You can make arrangements for a free diagnostic at datarecoveryguru.com. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you. Have a nice day.